everyone. Namaste. Today we are going to unbox this drone. You can unbox this now, right?
Thank you.
We are very excited to play this drone.
Yes. Wow, such a nice box. Let's zip it up, sister.
Yes, brother.
Wow. Here is one drone.
Here is the parts of drones.
Yes. And here is one battery of this drone. And this
is the antenna of the drone.
And this we do like this, and this backwards we do like this, and of this back we do like this. And this is our drone. It looks like this.
And this is the controller of the drone. These are the propellers of the drone.
And these are the manuals of the drones. This is about the remote, and this is about the camera.
And these are the extra cables of the drones.
And let's put this manual at the side. Thank you. Now put it down again.